I took the day off yesterday, and man, I wish I had. We had one of the most earth-shaking announcements in crypto ever. Honestly, this announcement rocked people like nothing I've ever seen before. And I have to admit, I was shooketh myself. Oh, and if you're wondering, this is not an April Fool's Day joke. Find out what happened and why some people are considering this act a declaration of war on decentralization. Let's get it. Hello and welcome to BitBoyCrypto, your one-stop shop for all things related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I make videos on this channel almost every single day. If you like what you hear or see, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications. If you would like to take the conversation even further, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram groups, the Bit Squad for regular crypto chat, or Bit Squad traders to discuss trading strategies. All right, guys, today we are going to be talking about Binance's huge announcement that they will be buying CoinMarketCap. It isn't official yet, but the fact is that this is almost certainly happening at this point. They're just waiting to dot the final I's and cross the final T's. We're going to be looking at the details of this sale and, more importantly, what it means for the entire crypto space. A lot of people are extremely upset with this move. You may be as well, but the bottom line is that this is good, in my opinion, for the overall price. At the end of the video, I'm going to explain exactly why this could be just the move that pushes crypto to the moon and, more importantly, keeps it there. But we are going to discuss some of the hard questions. So let's check out the details. According to controversial crypto news website The Block, Binance is set to buy CoinMarketCap for an astounding $400 million price tag. The world's largest crypto exchange will now be purchasing the world's most visited crypto website. CoinMarketCap produces millions of dollars per year in Google AdSense revenue alone, but they have many other sponsorships and companies that they also work with on top of Google AdSense. Some have estimated they make somewhere between $20 to $30 million per year. So why would Binance want to purchase them at a $400 million price point? It could take years to recoup that. Well, that's a complicated issue, but I have to admit, I believe that CZ is actually getting the better end of this deal, and you'll find out why in just a bit. This deal would tie for the largest acquisition in crypto history. There have been two other $400 million deals, including when Circle bought Poloniex, which it no longer owns, and when investment firm NXMH bought Bitstamp. CoinMarketCap, though, is not Binance's only acquisition this year. In fact, they purchased at least 9 firms in crypto recently, including Trust Wallet, which is now the official wallet of Binance, derivatives platform Jex, the DApp rating website DApp Review, and the Indian crypto exchange WazirX. And there may be more. Earlier this year, Binance founder CZ said that there were 2 major acquisitions in the pipeline for the crypto exchange. We are now confident that this was one of those 2 major acquisitions. The other major acquisition is unknown at this point. But when I look around at the crypto space, there are not that many companies that will constitute a major purchase. Personally, I wonder if Binance is positioning itself to buy its own crypto news website, like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. Cointelegraph would make much more sense. So why do I bring up those 2 sites? Well, the Block source for this news said that Binance was purchasing CoinMarketCap because of its traffic. It gets about 35 million visitors per month. It is the most visited website in crypto, and it's not even close. To put that into perspective, CoinMarketCap gets about 80% more traffic than even Binance. CoinDesk and Cointelegraph are the next 2 crypto sites on that list after Binance, Coinbase, and CoinMarketCap itself. So if it is traffic that CZ is after, then it would make sense they would push for one of those 2 sites. I give you a ton of reasons why I don't believe CoinDesk would ever sell out, but Cointelegraph, I believe, could be bought at a price. And you may be surprised to know that Cointelegraph is actually the #1 crypto news website. It gets significantly more traffic than CoinDesk. Cointelegraph is a very secret company similar to CoinMarketCap. Try to look up info on the creation or founders of Cointelegraph, and that will put you down an interesting rabbit trail, so do your own research on that. I would honestly not be shocked at all if that was the second company. One other reason I believe a crypto news website could be the next target is because it's very obvious that by this acquisition, Binance wants to control the narrative in crypto. Purchasing the largest coin research site in the business makes that very apparent. Yes, Binance would love to make that ad revenue, but even if CMC is making $30 million per year, it would take 13.3 years for them to recoup the purchase price. But here's where things get very interesting. Binance could advertise itself on its own website. So now you aren't just getting ad revenue, but you're also pushing people directly to your exchange and not letting other exchanges advertise. And the beautiful thing about serving ads on a website is you can control who sees what. So if you live in the United States, you would get ads that would send you to Binance US. If you live in other parts of the world, you would get sent to Binance.com. But let's dig even deeper here. CoinMarketCap is not just for research on coins. You can also research exchanges, and along with the charts on CoinMarketCap, you can look up trading pairs on every single coin. That's how you know where you can buy certain coins. A little tip for you new people. One has to wonder, though, if there's a way for Binance to manipulate that data. I mean, heck, they will even own it. They don't even have to manipulate it per se. They could just make all Binance trading pairs at the top of the sorted lists. So if you're looking up volume by trading pair, then Binance pairs would always be at the top. And then all the pairs underneath could be sorted by the amount of volume. People have been very upset, though, by the prospects that Binance could now own the largest independent and trustworthy data research site. Oh no, my poor research. But here's a question for you to consider. Is CoinMarketCap really a trustworthy site to begin with? Many people would argue that point. CoinMarketCap has definitely been accused of allowing scammy projects with fake volume on their website. They've also allowed advertising on their exchange by many extremely questionable crypto websites, including Bitcoin faucets, crypto gambling sites, bottom of the barrel exchanges, and I'm pretty sure, I would almost say positive, I've seen a Ponzi scheme or two advertised on CoinMarketCap. And like Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap also has some very interesting beginnings. To this day, their founder, Brandon Shez, is still anonymous. What other company worth $400 million has an anonymous founder CEO? Here's a hint, there isn't one. For many years, CoinMarketCap was ran out of an apartment building. Basically, a dude in his apartment telling everyone how to rank crypto. Reminds me of Snopes.com, but that's a totally different story. You might want to check out what Snopes.com is. What you may not know if you are new to crypto is that the largest single-day sell-off in history of the crypto markets was 100% due to CoinMarketCap. In January of 2018, CoinMarketCap decided to completely change the way they reported their numbers. They removed South Korean exchanges from their website without telling anyone. So one morning, people woke up, saw the market had dropped significantly, and panic sold. There was over $100 billion dumped that day. And that is the exact day that was the beginning of the bear market. So make sure you remember that when you vilify Binance and praise CoinMarketCap. So ultimately, is this good for crypto? I have to say the answer is yes and no. No, it is not great for an exchange to buy the largest coin research site. There are a lot of conflicts of interest there, in my opinion. It's not great, certainly for decentralization. We know that CZ does not like certain projects like Bitcoin SV, Digibyte, and Elastos. So could those projects get a raw deal? Well, I have to believe that there will be some safeguards put into place to ensure that the site remains mostly independent and objective. But this is good for the price of crypto in general, in my opinion. I don't think that's really arguable. As we've discussed, CoinMarketCap set off a wave of panic when it changed the way it listed coins. And it has actually done that a few times without warning. Some people have suggested maybe for increases in traffic. Binance understands it is in a much better financial position when crypto is strong and the price is good. Yes, their futures contracts like BitMEX would make money either way, but the bulk of Binance's money comes from traditional trading. So I have to believe that they will protect that. I also believe that Binance will do a better job of trying to bring this major website into the mainstream. Right now, it's basically a site for crypto nerds, which there is a lot of for sure, and the traffic shows that. But even at CoinMarketCap's peak in 2017, when it was just outside the top 100 of all websites in the world, average people didn't really even know what it was. That's really inexcusable for a top website. I expect Binance to push it more to the forefront of people's minds, which ultimately will result in more people coming into the crypto space, which will increase the value of your precious bag. But now it's your turn. Please let me know what you think about this acquisition. Do you think it is a bad thing for crypto, or is it a good thing? I've stated I believe it's good for price, but bad for decentralization. Do you agree or disagree with that? Drop your comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the fastest growing community in crypto, the Bit Squad. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.